Wow.
Hi, I'm Steven.
Give me a kiss. I'm Callie and we're taking a road trip around Jamaica.
Come with us.
Stop in the middle. Let me see your wine and go down. Alright, come up now. Alright, now let me see you spin. Give me the mega twist. Whoa. Sean, stop. Do the word like you see it. Do the word. Give me an old school itchy.
What a workout!
Thank you for making it here and ultimately experience. Just spread the love, tell everyone about this lovely place so they can come and enjoy what you want to enjoy. Alright? Thank you again. Safe travel on the gravel.
On the island of Jamaica, a long, long time ago, on the Rosa plantation where the ocean breeze is blown, lived a girl named Annie Palmer. She was a mistress of the slaves. Slaves live in fear to see the frown on Annie's face. Where are your husbands, Annie? 1, 2, and 3. All the sleeping beneath the palm tree near the Caribbean Sea. At nights I hear you riding, and I can hear your lovers call, and I can still feel your presence around the great house at Rose Hall. Okay, thank you very much.